Yeah, so this one is a very quick one on how to get Horizon Easy Installer working on the LVDS 10-inch display. Connection-wise, you need to have this mezzanine board and connect it like this. Like the LVDS, it's always how to connect, but the I2C, you need to have the blue side inward. And actually, their documentation does mention how to connect it from the other side, but it would look like this. So this would be let's see, the cable would go here, like the blue for the I2C for the touch, blue side down, and for the LVDS, they actually tell you where like the red and orange wire go. Okay, so this is connection wise, and basically, like we can see that this does work, but it took me quite a while to understand how to make it work. Let's just do up. Exit. Yeah, I want to exit. I'll return to menu, and it returns. And the other things, yeah, this is the quality, live with that. Basically, we need to like do the overlays, which is relatively simple. Like what I added here was this guy, okay? And how it all looks would be like a FDT overlay, blah, 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 blah. You can do this, you can have like your own. And one last thing, so by default, the kernel parameters don't have like the right video driver. Now, I had some DRM issues with some of the Tezi images. This comes from 7 something, I think. Yeah, 720. But basically what I did was getting rid of all of the other videos, because otherwise the display would go to one of like the HDMI spot. So I would modify the boot script. There is like an original boot script. It would come like with boot SCR, and like if you look at it, like if we open it, we will see I modified it already. You know, it doesn't matter which, like if we open it, we'll see some, some binary stuff like the Ubuntu header here, okay? So here I wrote like my own comments, blah, 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 blah. But what you do, you just get rid of like the first line, you delete it, you copy it to a text file that looks something like this, okay? And then when you have like the boot command args, when you have all the videos, you get rid of all of them and just put like your LVDS one. And this works, and this allows you to have like the Horizon Easy installer over the LVDS. Okay, it's not so well documented, but that's how you do it. Good luck.